If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe it and do not forget to press the bell icon for the notifications.
How to improve spoken English? How do you speak English confidently? How do you speak English fluently? How to improve your communication skills? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Nishtha Agarwal. So in this video, I will tell you guys about how you can improve your English speaking skills this time. Here we go for that. First step, watching movies or series. So for this, you can follow Netflix or you can watch movies or series on Amazon Prime. Further, you can follow the content creators on YouTube. Further, if you do not want to watch movies or series and you do not have that much time, then also you can listen podcasts. So basically, that is audio file which you can listen, and listening actually improve your pronunciation. So this is definitely gonna help you a lot with your speaking skills. Further, you will get to know new words. Next is reading. Start with simple English. For this, you can refer to your textbooks of 11th or 12th standard as well. Choose a storybook as well. So select a book which interests you so that you get indulged into reading. That will improve your vocabulary as well. Is conversation. So we need to practice how to speak. We have already watched movies and we have listened to the podcast. We have further read the books as well. Now we need to get into the conversation, and for that you need to communicate. You need to talk with a person who actually is good in English language. You need to talk to them so that even if you make mistakes, they can correct you. And you should not shy away even if you are making mistakes. That's also fine. We learn from our own mistakes. Keep one point in mind: the person you are getting into conversation with, he or she must be good in English. Next is vocabulary. How you can improve your vocabulary? So for this, you need to learn at least 2 to 3 words every day. Set a target and go according to that. You can maintain a diary or a notebook wherein you can write the words that you have learned recently, and do not forget to use them, because if we do not use the words that often, we tend to forget them. So you really need to use those words in your daily routine as well. So this is how you can improve your vocabulary. Next is sentence formation. No matter how strong our vocabulary is, if we fail into this part, then we won't be able to speak English that fluently and with accuracy. Right. So whenever we watch, we read anything in English or any other language in fact, then we need to keep this in mind, that how the sentence has been formed into that particular content. So every content might have a different, sentence formation, but yes, you need to rectify, you need to see what mistakes you made, and you have to keep your mistakes in your mind. You have to correct them. And what I know is, whenever we make mistakes, we actually learn better that way. Okay, so do not shy away from your mistake. Have the courage to correct yourself. There is nothing wrong in that. Next is writing a journal. So journal is basically a diary in which you write what you did throughout the day. Okay, so at the end of the day, you actually write in that diary, write new words, use new words in your language, in your sentences, and read that again the next morning. This will help you to memorize new words and how you can use those words into daily life. Next is, do not shy away or feel demotivated how others treat you whenever you speak English. If you even make mistakes, then also do not feel demotivated. That would be better if you know that this was my mistake, and if you improve it, you are learning, and in learning phase, we actually make a lot of mistakes, and that is absolutely fine. You need not to get demotivated. If you have somebody who can correct you, then that's great. Yes, in India, we know that English is given preference in interviews and is often considered as symbol of intelligence. But yes, we are learning and we are concentrating more on ourselves. Next is clarity of thoughts. So whenever we are going for an interview or getting indulged into a conversation in a new language, that is for now is English, we do not have to rush in that language. So we do not have to, speak in a very high speed. We have to maintain, we have to keep it slow. Why? So that we can, think while speaking. So this will provide you, this will give you that time that you can think while speaking. So this will help you further in your interview. Whenever a question is being asked, then you can think and then answer. So in fact, while building up an answer, then also you can think in between whether your answer is, you are forming a right answer or not. So speed actually matters and clarity of thoughts really matters. So yes, this is how you can improve your communication skills further. So you have to speak, in a slow speed. Do not run, do not rush. Alright? You can't just learn a language by selecting it, but you need to practice it every day, actually. So whenever we prepare for an exam, it's never like we are studying a day before and then we are getting, highest marks. No, that is not the case. Yes, we can get passing marks, but for the languages and if you want to be that confident and that fluent in any of the language, then yes, you have to practice it every day. And I really mean it, every day. It won't work if you are practicing it today and you are speaking for like half an hour and then you are like, let it be. So it won't work until unless you do not practice it each and every day. So you need to put in little effort every single day to get that confidence in you for any particular language, be it English or any other language as well. So these were the ways which will help you to incorporate English language into your daily life. So this was all about how you can improve your English language, your English speaking skills this time. So if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you like watching my videos, and if you feel like this video can help anybody else, then do not forget to share this video. And further, yes, you need to read newspaper as well on daily basis. That will also further improve your vocabulary as well as your general knowledge. That will also further help you with a lot of things and a lot of exams as well as interviews. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Stay at home, stay safe, cheers to life, bye bye.